Now we're going to take a look at editing our dimensions. So if we zoom in a bit here, just scrolling the wheel, see here this is 17 foot 3 3/8 of an inch. To edit it, you're going to click on the edit tool, which is here, or you can double right click and click on the edit tool here and click on the dimension. So how this works is you're going to type in the new dimension. So let's say this is supposed to be 18 feet. So 18, the foot symbol is the single quotation, the inch symbol is the double quotation, or if you're using the numpad, feet is the minus sign because it has one line, and plus sign is the inches symbol because it has two lines. So that's 18 feet. Now these arrows tell the computer which wall to move. So let me just cancel out of that and zoom down a little bit so you can see what's going to happen here. Click on that, type in 18 minus, which is 18 feet. So if I click on this arrow, it's going to move this end of the dimension, which means it's going to move this wall and push it out. And if I click on this arrow, it's going to pick up this end of the dimension and adjust it, so move this wall. If I leave it in the center, both walls will push equally to make this 18 feet. So I'm going to start by pushing this arrow here and pushing this wall in, essentially, to make that 18 feet. Now we go to the next dimension. Click on this, let's make it 40, so 40 and the minus sign. Now here's where the arrows become important, because if I click on this arrow, it's going to take this wall and adjust this wall to make this dimension 40 feet, which means it's going to change the dimension I just fixed, because I just moved this wall. So you want to make sure that you're always clicking the same arrow to move the same direction. So I'm going to click on this arrow and push the wall that's over here to adjust that to 40 feet. And you can see that my 18 feet stayed the same length. Similar with this one, let's make it 5 feet. Just to show you, if I click on this, it moves that wall, but then change that dimension. Okay. In SoftPlan, it's the only piece of software I know that Control Z does not undo. The undo is up here. So I'm going to undo that, come back here, 5 feet, click on this arrow to push the outside wall, and now those dimensions are cleaned up. And I'd work my way around the house to clean up all my dimensions. 10 feet, and I'm just making these up. I don't really know what I'm following here. And then do the same thing. So you're always working either in a clockwise direction or a counterclockwise direction to clean up the dimensions.